inside.
Yeah, come on then.
Katie, here, have to turn around then. He's what's inside.
Yeah, we'll do it so I can see. Cause, how does it say? It says, to Jasmine, Merry Christmas, love, Olive. Nanny Olive. That's Teresa's mummy.
It says, oh,
I don't know what it is. What you got?
Knickers.
Knickers.
Are they for babies?
No, for you, I
Oh
think.
yeah, I've got. They like baby knickers.
Mm.
They don't.
Oh, that's alright, isn't it?
They don't fit on baby Kate.
Oh, and a vest, I think. Yeah, vest. Vest and knickers.
Yeah.
I think. Are they?
Oh,
Yeah,
more.
vests.
Knickers.
Two vests and knickers.
Oh.
Whoa, these are two big knickers.
No, they're not.
Jasmine, they're called underwear.
I have to say baby. Can I get them here? I have to say baby.
Come on.
Baby, baby, baby. Ta-ta. Baby Katie. Oh, this is look, what does it say on this
I don't know. So, to Jasmine, Happy Christmas, love, Olive.
again?
Another one from Olive, yeah. More knickers and vests. That's alright. You always need knickers and vests.
Look, Katie, more knickers and
Yeah.
knickers and vest. What does this say?
Hold on. I'm trying to fold with one hand.
Is it olive?
I don't know. You have to wait. It says, you can turn the label off. Pull it. It says, to Jasmine, Merry Christmas from Olive. Maybe it's more because
Olive.
don't know. Yeah, I think you got more knickers and vests. Oh, that's alright. Can never have too many knickers.
Okay, more knickers and vests.
Go on there.
Wait, I need.
Probably a pack. You got. Yeah, you got.
Two pink knickers.
Yeah, you got a nice lot of knickers and vests. You needed vests, I know. Now it says to Jasmine, Merry Christmas, love, Olive. No one from Olive.
Again? No. I can't pull it off the label. Yeah.
Doesn't matter. Oh,
Oops. It's more with.
no, I don't think it is a vest.
It's a t-shirt.
Ah, jammers. Jim Jams.
Oh,
What are they? Look. Oh, time to dream. Time to dream. Jammers.
I don't know.
No, the other one first.
Oh yeah, I forgot that.
There's a little one there. Let me see.
Oh.
To Jasmine, Happy Christmas, Olive. That's another one from Olive. Olive bought you a nice lot of things.
Mummy,
Nanny Olive or Nanny O. The people yeah.
in my
Listen. Everybody calls her Nanny O. Nano. No?
Oh.
She's called Nano. What have you got? Chocolate buttons. Wow.
And our ones.
Mmm.
Yeah.
They're English chocolate, Cadbury's chocolate. They're nice. Don't get them there. I only an English shop. Right, next.
This.
Yeah, that one.
Oh, there's something cards inside.
It says, what does it say on it? Let's have a look. It says, to Jasmine, Happy Christmas, love, Gay, Teresa, Olive, and Sophie and Alex. Go on then.
It's
Have it then.
Okay.
What is it?
fishing game.
Is it a fishing game? I don't think it's a fishing game.
It is. Look.
It's a robo fish. So look, It's a fishy. You put it in water and it swims. In the bath. Look, you put it in your bath.
Then it swims.
Yeah, he swims.
Oh.
You put him in and he swims around in the bath.
Oh.
Robo fishy. Oh, what's it say? To Jasmine, Merry Christmas, love, Gary Teresa, Sophie, Alex. How do we care?
Huh?
You've got to be careful when you open it. Turn around that way so I can see you. Open it carefully. Careful. Take the paper off first.
Pop in.
Yeah, it's protected because it can break. Can you undo it?
Can I pop it? Does it come
Let's
with
try.
it? Can I pop it?
Wait.
Back to it.
Wait.
It's some recording it. Can I pop these?
Wait.
It's whoa! It's
Careful.
a timer.
It's a timer. I don't think it's a timer. Let's do it with Daddy's hand. Ah, don't.
It pops. How to pop these, Mummy? Pop in stuff.
I can't get it out. Hold on. Move all this stuff out of the way.
It's a camera.
It's a camera.